Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive Cars. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about EVs of 2025, the Huawei Maextro S800. This car has been making waves across the industry, and after spending some time with it, we can see why. Let's get into what makes the Maextro S800 such a standout in this year's electric lineup. Starting with the exterior, the Maextro S800 brings a fresh and aggressive design language to the EV space. The front fascia is sharp and minimalist, dominated by a sleek LED light bar stretching across the nose, giving it a futuristic glare, especially at night. The body lines are fluid and aerodynamic, with flush door handles and a coupe-like roofline that gives the car a dynamic silhouette. The signature Huawei badge sits boldly on a sculpted hood, which adds to the car's confident presence. At the rear, the taillight design echoes the front with a connected light strip and subtle diffuser elements, creating a performance-oriented look without being overdone. Under the skin, the S800 really starts to impress. Huawei's partnership with leading battery and AI tech manufacturers has paid off. The S800 comes equipped with a dual-motor setup delivering around 580 horsepower, with an all-wheel drive system that launches the car from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 3.5 seconds. Despite the performance, Huawei's refined drive mode system lets you switch from aggressive to efficient seamlessly. The ride quality is incredibly smooth thanks to the adaptive air suspension, and it handles like a much lighter car. You feel the weight is low to the ground, which makes sense with the skateboard EV platform, giving it great stability in corners. When it comes to range, the Maextro S800 offers around 680 km on a single charge thanks to its new generation solid-state battery. Huawei's AI-powered range estimator also adapts to your driving style and road conditions in real time, which means no more range anxiety. Inside, things get even more interesting. The cabin is sleek, ultra-modern, and packed with tech. There's a massive floating OLED center screen powered by HarmonyOS Next, responsive and intuitive. The materials are high-end, with vegan leather and ambient lighting throughout. It's quiet, comfortable, and feels like a true step into the future of driving. All in all, the Huawei Maextro S800 brings together bold design, blistering performance, and smart innovation in a way that few others are doing right now. If this is what 2025 EVs look like, we're definitely here for it. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Drive Cars for more in-depth reviews of the latest vehicles. See you in the next one.